freaking, oh my god, building. I'm out in nature. On my property, there is 13 acres of literally fucking forest. And I'm just wandering through it barefoot. And I just thought I would give a talk. Let's see. Ooh, there's some thorn bushes here. Honestly, I have been wandering, and I am a little lost. But
of me to my form of dragonfly, I resist and I survive.
so we're out here. So first thing to do, get out into nature. Second thing to do, laugh. Watch a comedy skit. Watch a funny video. Find a funny video that you like. Even if it's like something on Instagram or YouTube or TikTok or whatever. I personally don't use TikTok. I never really got into it. I thought I'm a little bit of an old soul, you know, I don't really mess with that stuff. You know, hug a tree. Hey.
Let me tell you all the ways my love.
Hug a tree.
Let me tell you all the ways you move me with emotion. Let me tell you all the ways.
You call a friend, you laugh, you hug a tree,
Let me tell you all the ways you move me with
get out of nature, explore, go on an adventure, do something that is just, I don't know, go on a walk in downtown and just adventure, talk to someone new. For me, I'm just going on an adventure into nature right now, which is my favorite thing to do. I'm going on a log ride right now. I hope I don't fall.
I'm wild like a child born with no.
Ooh, I'm stepping on a thorn. Ooh. Alright, let me get off.
You move me with emotion. Let me tell you all the ways my love.
I chose a bad spot to walk. Lots of thorns. Ooh. Almost there. Almost in a better spot to adventure. Oh, thorn. Everywhere, bro. Alright, Tarzan, don't be complaining about thorns. Tarzan, don't be complaining. Almost there.
You got twinkles in your eyes. You say vegetarians save lives, but there's your wings despite.
Let's go, baby. We made it on the trail.
Will there be one more?
So,
Who's holding it, dive in the ocean, and can we find a pearl of self-controlling it? Oh, that is happening as it is. There's no need to stress, cause it's a blessing, doesn't it? Oh, that is happening as it is. There is no need to stress, cause it's a blessing. Just to live, just to live, just to live. Just to live, just to live, just to live. All of us, the grave is waiting, every step in the pavement. taking us to the last one? Do we focus on the world? Or do we focus on our heart's sun, the brightest dark one, who is half here?
Monster in the building. We out here. So we've covered that adventure is like the coolest thing in life. To be on an adventure is like the most freeing experience you can have. And it takes you out of your mind, takes you out of your ego. So try to go on an adventure. Do what you want. I'd say I'd be number 3. Do that thing that you want to do. If that's go see a friend, or if that's go to a gym, that's go on a walk, that's watch a funny video, play basketball, go on, call a friend, do what is inspiring to you. I would say the 3 things to get out of depression: 1, get out into nature, barefoot if you can, even though it's sort of difficult if you're out in the forest and there's, all these plants and thorns. If you're one of those like city people that can never go out into nature and you see a plant and you're like walking and the plant like touches your arm, you're like, ew, 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 oh my god, it's a bug. Ah. You hear like a bird in the bush and you're like, oh hell no, you start running, you think it's a snake or something like that. Anyways, just do what's inspiring to your heart. Do what is authentic to your heart. Let that flow through you, that inspiration. How to do that? Let life flow. Stop trying to control things and figure it out. You can't force anything. You can't force love. You can't force yourself to be someone you're not, because that's not who you are. Be who you are and be the realest version of yourself. And do what makes you happy. Get out of your social conditionings on what that could be. Oh, this isn't politically correct to, I don't know, go out in public and just talk to random people. Like, that's not something that is politically correct, but if that's what your soul needs, if that's the medicine you need to just meet new people and to have a social experience on a day, then do that. For me, I want to manifest a car. I need a car. My truck broke down, the one I was driving, the one I was going to use, and I'm just bummed about that. It was like, we just fixed it, so I would try to make it work, but it didn't work. But I want to manifest a car. So let's do one. Let's do a creative and evolve. Create and evolve. You ready? What do you want to create and evolve into in your life? What do you want to create and evolve into? What's the first thing that pops in your mind? That's number 1. We're going to do 3. 1, I want to have a car. Number 2, on my birthday, November 21st, for me, the second thing that came to my mind was to have a day of sacred silence and presence and meditation, connecting to God. Oh my God, I just found a poker chip. Dude, where the hell am I? I have no idea where I am. I just found a poker chip though. We'll see if we get somewhere. But yeah, walking through the forest, very beautiful. All of my property, in my property I have a whole forest. So like, I'm never bored. Why would I be bored? I can go for a walk in the fucking nature. Barefoot like Tarzan. I am the king of the jungle. I am the king of the jungle. And the number 3 thing I want to manifest, I want to see my new baby sister or brother that's going to, or daughter or son, honestly, to be honest. Feeling like a my baby that's coming. John and Mary having a baby, 2 of my closest friends, and it's coming on my birthday, which is in 4 days. And pretty freaking surreal. And I have had a dream about this baby yesterday, and I was like, oh my god, it's a boy. And she said, no, it's a girl. And my heart melted, and she said, you want to hold her? And I held her in my dream, and she started laughing and giggling and getting all giddy and super joyful. And I'm like, oh my god, man, like the miracle of life. So I want to see the baby. I want to see the new baby. Oh my god, that's so crazy, dude. I went into the forest.
I survived. This is resistance. I survived.